Until now, we did our Python program in Python interpreter. From now on, we are going to perform more programs. So let's switch to editor or IDE. It's really a productive tool for our developers. I mostly use Visual Studio Code Editor because of the lightweight. Okay, let's install Visual Studio now. Go to your favorite web browser. I'm opening Chrome. I have given this link below in the description box. I'm using Windows, so download from here. It redirects to this page. It will start to download automatically. After the download is complete, click the arrow mark and open, click Run. Now we see the license agreement. Click I accept the agreement. Then click Next, Next, Next. Finally, click Install. Wait until the installation complete. It will automatically open Visual Studio. Now we see Visual Studio home page. Now click Open Folder. Create a new folder on a YouTube. Click a new folder. Name it as PyPy and select that folder. Now go to PyPy and click New File and name it as sample.py. Close the Get Started. Oh, I forget the most important thing. That is setting environment variable. Write environment variable in a search box. Then click environment variable. Click new. Write variable name as Python. And add a variable value. There you have to mention your installation path for Python. I give this path in a description box. Mostly in every system Python save in this path. If you not find the Python path there, then try to save your program in Python interpreter. There you get your Python installation path. Then click OK. Click path in a system variable. Click edit. Click a new here. You have to add the same path with the script. Then click OK. You have to click OK in all the three windows. After that, open a command prompt. Write Python. If it is working, then no problem. But I have an error that Python is not recognized. If you guys have the same error as me, then try Py. Yeah, now it's working. Open Visual Studio, see here. Python 3.10. This Visual Studio get Python from environment variable. So the next thing is we need to install Python extension in a Visual Studio Code Editor. Before that, you have to switch on your Wi-Fi. Now open extension, enter Python. Click the first one and install it. I already did that. If you click install, it redirects to the next page and asks you to reload. Click reload required. Now you see disable and uninstall in this page. Now write print of hello world in a sample.py file that we created before. Print of hello world. Let's see. What is the output when we run this file? Now go ahead and click run. Start debug. Click the first option. Here it print hello world. Even from here you can run. Click this run and debug button. Then click run and debug. You can see the same hello world output again. Yeah, we successfully installed Visual Studio and set everything properly. Now you can work Python in a Visual Studio.